back to my channel. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button because it would help me a lot. And today we're going to be looking at the case from Ringke, a black camouflage see-through case. Just dope, like amazing. Every time I put this case on my phone, I always get compliments wherever I go asking me, where'd you get that case from? I was like, you got to be in the military to get this case and be awarded a silver medal. Then you get this case with that silver medal. No, that's a lie. It's on Amazon for $12.99. Let's put the case on the phone. And as you can see, there it is. Comes in different designs too. If I can just focus. Perfect fit. Very tough, like I said, military tested. Scratch protection, buttons, because you know some cases don't come with buttons, so they got to tell you that. Just a joke. Raised bezel. Let's find out if that's true. Yes, top and bottom. Wait, top and bottom. It's raised a little bit on the edges, but in the middle it like kind of goes like a dip. Lanyard hole. Where's the lanyard hole? Right. I'm gonna break my arm trying to show you the lanyard hole. Right there. That's it. And it's only $12.99. And does it charge wirelessly? Of course it charges wirelessly. It's thin. Every phone case is charged wirelessly nowadays. If you find a phone case that doesn't charge wirelessly, then buy it. Click the link in the description. The link to this will be in the description below, and you know you could buy it. But first, let's check it out. Get some clicky butt noise for you guys. Very clicky. Everyone loves clicky buttons. Exactly why you should click that subscribe button, because that's also clicky. But imagine if this was a green iPhone. How amazing that would look. Very amazing. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my video, and I rest my case.